Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, May 29, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting the day off, we have the futures sharply lower today. They're trading lower by 16.25 points to 27.02 per contract. You could see here, though, around 4 o'clock in the morning, futures did trade as low as 26.90. So they have come sharply off the lows, but they are still down quite a bit this morning. Now, we've been accustomed now to start seeing the futures start out lower, and then they come to the lunch hour around 11, 12 o'clock, and they start to rally back up. We'll see if the market can do that again today. We do have a lot of geopolitical events taking place. Most notably, you have a big event taking place in Italy. Are they going to really push to leave the Eurozone? That could certainly send markets twirling. But we also have Trump tweeting out today, or at least putting out a newswire, that they will impose a 25% tariff on $50 billion worth of goods imported from China. That also can affect markets. So, again, we have a lot of geopolitical news out here, and we'll see how it plays out. But in the meantime, we have some stocks to report and talk about here. We're going to talk about this first one here, which is Momo, M-O-M-O. Stock is becoming more and more popular. Today it's trading at $43.26, closed at $38.95. So this is a pretty good little pop there from Momo. I believe it's on the back of earnings. So again, nice little move here ahead of the opening bell. Now, we don't have a lot of earnings plays today, but nonetheless, this is one that you want to keep an eye out for, and we'll see how that shakes out a little bit later. We're also looking at Roku today. That is up on an upgrade, so Roku catching a little bit of a bid, closed at $38.50, now trading at $39.60. I don't see a lot of upside for this one, so I'd be a little bit careful there. We do have crude oil today down about 61 cents, so that's going to affect most of the energy stocks. But the names we got to look at today are going to really be the European bank stocks, most notably Deutsche Bank. Now, this stock has looked horrible for quite a while, closed at $12.06 on Friday. Now it is at $11.50. Take a look at this monthly chart. This is just a horrendous looking chart. This is a new all-time lows here. So again, not a pretty picture here for Deutsche Bank. Not looking pretty this morning as it trades below the $12 mark. Let's take a look at Credit Suisse. That's another one down in the dumps today. Stock is trading at $15.65, closed at $16.28. You could look at BCS is another one. That's good old Barclays. Stock is trading at $10.87, closed at $11.16. And then you have RBS, Royal Bank of Scotland, and you're going to see that this is also trading down around $7.50, closed at $7.78. So all of the European bank stocks being affected by all of this news out in Italy, and I think traders should be on guard with this one. This is going to probably get uglier. So again, we'll see how it plays out, and we'll see how these bank stocks handle the news. Here in the U.S., you have U.S. bank stocks, which have been a little bit on the weaker side as of late, but J.P. Morgan also trading down a little bit around 109.45. Take a look at Bank of America, which is BAC, trading around 12.89. Then you have Citigroup. That is trading around 67.45. So all the bank stocks this morning are a bit weaker. We also have some other stocks out here, such as the energy stocks that are a little bit weaker. Halliburton down decently, at least it was. Been coming back, still down around 49.33. I think Phillips 66, also a little bit weaker. That's come back a little bit. So again, we'll see how that all shakes out once the opening bell rings. You want to keep Qualcomm on watch today. This is being affected by the Trump trade news. Right now, the stock is trading at $59.84, basically flat. You also want to take a look at NXPI. Qualcomm and NXPI are trying to merge. This is now trading at $119.46, closed at $116.79. So they're both up this morning, and we'll be watching those closely, and we'll see how they play out today. But all in all, this is all going to be about Europe, and it's going to be about the trade deal going on, or possible trade deal with China. So we'll see how that all plays out going forward. But we got lots of upgrades and downgrades out here. We'll see how it shakes out once the opening bell rings. All right, let's switch over to the gold market. Gold this morning trading down about $2 and right around $2 to 13.01 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 122.90. That tells us the dollar is up, and sure enough, if you take a look at the dollar, it is up, but it has been fading a little bit from the highs. Almost got up to that 95 level today. Right now sitting at 94.64. Dollar has come in off the lows, off the highs, but it is still sharply up on the session by about 50 cents or so. Let's take a look here at the crude oil market. Crude oil right now trading down 66 cents to $67.24 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude oil, you'll see that's trading at 13.61. Closed at 13.68. A little while ago, oil was down much more, so it has come rolling back a little bit. So we'll see how it plays out. Nonetheless, crude still trading at $67. It was hit hard last week, and again down a little bit here this morning. So we'll see how that shakes out today. But nonetheless, we should have lots of moving parts out here. Should make for a very interesting trading day this morning. So again, keep it on the radar. We'll see how this all plays out. And if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Could trade right alongside of us. We've had a blockbuster 2018, and we're looking to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.